get in position. Girl, get in position.
Hi guys, so today I will be doing a DIY for you guys. Crazy, right? I know. So I've seen this YouTuber. I'll link her YouTube channel in the high cards and also in my description box below. I saw her did this DIY on a, you know, the doors, the slide doors. Yes. So it was full glass, and she designed the sheet and then stick it on the glass, and it was so beautiful. And I want to try it out for myself. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the same design like she did or maybe something else, but I don't want I don't even know what to say because I'm just so excited to do this right now. But yeah guys, so I have my kitchen door. The glass is not all the way down, but it's quite huge, so I want to cover it up because it just looks plain and empty. And yeah, I'm gonna do this DIY, guys. So I want you guys to continue watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends and family. Yeah, so here I am using then for this, the items that you will be needing for this DIY, I will have them linked down in the description bar below. Yeah guys, so I know you guys can't see my pattern so neat because I have some pencils with erasers on them, huge pencils, but the erasers don't work for nothing. Here it is. Eraser doesn't work for nothing. So I know it's kind of difficult. Oops. I know it's kind of difficult to figure out or to see what the design looks like, but you know, you guys will see it in a minute when I put it up on the door. You guys will see it, how it looks. Yes, my beautiful people, I'm back. So earlier on, I showed you guys where I had already sketched out the design I wanted to create on this sheet. I don't know what you guys call it, but I have it here. This is a different design. This one, you buy it like this, and you make sure you clean your glass. You spray it with water, and then you remove the adhesive. It has a paper at the back of it. You remove it and just stick it to the glass, to your windows, wherever you want to do it, whatever you want to do with it. So that is basically what I have here, but it's a different design from that one. This is a much bigger one as well. So I bought one roll, and I still have a little left from the one roll that I used. So yeah, this is it. This is the design. It's not the exact design. Well, the inner pieces, it's similar, but I did it differently from the way she did hers. And these are the pieces I have that will be going on the sides here. It will come out on the side here as well, but because I cut it, it's rolled up. So I have 4. Yeah, so it will get one piece here, one piece there. So each corners will have a one piece. So those I have aside as well. And for this project, what I used was this sheet. I would say I would call it a cover sheet. If you guys know the name of it, please do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I used this plate, that's a candle, this plate I used to do the circle in the middle here, and this one I just wing it. I just used this to cut it out. So I started off cutting this one. I cut with scissors, but the scissors wasn't giving me the right cut that I wanted. It was making it uneven. So I went ahead and got that knife to do the cutting for me. Yeah, so for this project you don't need a lot of stuff, guys. It's quite easy, quite simple. I'm here in Holland, and I just went to, for us here it would be like a dollar store, a Dollar Tree store, like, and I got this for €5, and I'm gonna use that to decorate the door, the glass door. Yeah, so I used, because it comes in a roll, I used my candles and stuff to hold out the edges while I was doing the design, freestyling the design. And here you guys can see where I did a sketch of what it should look like. Yeah, but I decided not to go with the exact everything as she did. I just switched it up a little bit. And yeah, my pencil, which rubber, no good whatsoever. It's just for decoration. And you're gonna need a tape measure, because you need to measure the size of your door, the glass that you're gonna put your design on. You need to take the measurements so you have the correct measurements, and then you can put your design within that measurement. And yeah, so to cut these designs out, I used this piece of cardboard box, quite thick, so you can see a lot of cuts, because this is where I put it and trace it out on it. Yeah, I will link the, yeah guys, so the YouTuber that I saw that did this DIY, I would link her name in my description bar, and I'll put it up on the screen for you guys to see, because I don't want to pronounce her name the wrong way. So yeah, I will write it on the screen for you guys to see, and I'll put where you guys can go and check out her YouTube channel as well. She does some amazing DIYs, guys, and trust me, there is gonna be loads more DIYs to come from me, because there are so many things that I've seen that I was like, wow, I need to get those done. So you know, you guys can always look out for more DIYs from me, because they will be coming, no doubt. So now I'm gonna get these ready to put on the door. So see you guys soon. So yeah guys, there is, you can't see it much, but you guys can see the line. This is it right here, and this is the line. And then that one, but you can't see it so much. You see? Now you see the difference. It like blurs out the window. Yeah guys, it's coming along. It's coming along. So here, this big one, the round one, I had to cut it because I folded it. I had to cut these as well, because I folded it when I was cutting out the design, the style, and I think it made the paper get smaller, I think. So when I'm putting it up, it wouldn't open up wide as it's supposed to, so I had to cut it at the bottom. But I still love it. It looks gorgeous. So I have 3 more pieces to go, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Final look, guys. Look at it. Look. So this way you guys will probably see it. It's hard to see. So there you have it. That's mine. And I did a little heart in the middle. I did enjoy doing this DIY. Super fun. Yes, guys, I have finally finished it. This is how it looks. Yeah. I need something behind the door for you guys to see it, really. But this is how it looks, guys. I love it, love it, love it, love it. It didn't come out exactly the same. As you guys can see down here, it's very crowded. You can see the spaces. And I had to cut it like I told you guys earlier. But I love it. Amazing. I'm super happy. I'm super proud of myself. DIYs are not easy. But if you're interested and you like to have fun and be creative, then you'll enjoy doing something like this. Guys, how is it? How do you guys think? Don't worry about inside, because I was in there with all my papers and stuff. I've just finished literally. Now I'm gonna go and clean up. But I just wanted to show you guys the final look. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is it. It's your girl Lacey Dawson, and I'm out, guys. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Love y'all. Bye.